students, this is mathematics class for 10th, first chapter, real number. In previous video, I told you about Euclid division lamp. In short, we can say that is if a and b are two integers and when a divided by b, so we can write this one like that, a equals to bq plus r, where r lie in between 0 and b. R can be equal to or greater than 0, but it always less than b. So today we are doing Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225. We will use Euclid division lamp for finding out HCF of 135 and 225. Okay. So first we have to focus on these two words, lamp and algorithm. Lamp means these are already proven statement and we can use this one as it for solving our problem. Lamps are already proven statement and you can use as it for solving problem. Okay, suppose this is Euclid division lamp, a equals to bq plus r, so we can use this equation for finding out HCF of this and this. So second word is algorithm. What is algorithm? Algorithm means well-defined steps for solving any particular type of problems. Here given steps, well-defined steps. It means steps, method given to us to solve any particular type of problem. So question is use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of this 135 and 225. So for solving this question, we have to use Euclid division lamp. So lamps are already proven statements and we can use this one as it. So in previous video I told you when a greater than b, so we can write a equals to bq plus r. What is q here? When a divided by b, you get quotient q and remainder r. So by arranging these all we can make an equation like that, and condition for r, it should be greater or equal to 0 but less than b. So today we will use this one in Euclid division algorithm. Algorithm means well-defined steps to solve any particular type of problem. So what is our first step? We have two numbers 135 and 225. We have two numbers 135 and 225. So what we will do first, we have to choose which one greater among these two. These are your number 135 and 225. So we have to choose greater one. So you know among these two, step number 1. 225 greater than 135. Okay. So this is your A and this one your B. 225 greater than 135. So we have to choose greater number and smaller number. So 225 greater than 135. So what we will do? Greater number we will divide by smaller one. When you done Euclid division lamp, so we done same thing, greater divided by smaller one. So this one greater than this, so applying Euclid's division lamp. Applying Euclid division lamp to 225 and 135. First step, what you will do? We have to choose greater and smaller. So this one 225 greater than 135. Now applying Euclid division lamp to this number 225 and 135. Okay. So look, what we will do? We will leave this space here and here we will do divide. 225. Divided by 135. Focus in this one. 200 greater number divided by smaller one. Greater number divided by smaller one. So you have to do divide how many times? 1 jar. So this one 135. Now do subtraction. 0 here and here 9. Okay. So you have remainder 90. We will do this procedure until we will not get remainder 0. So this one your A, this one your B, this one your Q and this one your R. So now we have to write this one just like this equation. We will do this procedure until we will not get remainder R equals to 0. So equation is A equals to BQ plus R. Equation Euclid division lamp. A equals to BQ plus R. So what is A? A is 225 equals to B. B is 135. Quotient is 1 and plus R. R is 90. Okay. Divide, you have to do this side. Again I am shifting here. 225, 1 jar, 135 and here 90. So look method how you will write. First you have to write just this side of equation, you have to do this calculation. Suppose this one your page, this one your copy page. So this side you will write equation and this side you will solve this one. So this one your equation number 1. Okay. Just in front of your equation you have to do this divide. This is our first step. Now we will continue this procedure until we will not get remainder 0. You are looking here r equals to 90, remainder coming 90 and 90 not equals to 0. Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2, what we will do? Look this one. Remainder. We have to focus on remainder. So 90 greater than 0. 90 greater than 0. So again, now we have to take this one and this one. Smaller remainder will be B and this one will be A. Okay, hope you are getting this one. This number and this remainder R and B will be our next A and B. This is B and this is R. So we have to take these two, B and R. B, which one your earlier divisor, that one we have to take. This one and this one. So what we will write? Applying Euclid's division lamp to, in first case we have 225 and 135. Now number changed. This is 135 and 90. Okay. In first case this one A, this one B. So look, 135 and 90. 135 is greater than 135 greater than 90. So 90, 135 divided by 90. Getting 135 divided by 90. So how we will write this one? Here 135. We will do divide first. 135 divided by 90. Sorry. 135 divided by 90. Okay, 135 is greater than 90, so we will do divide here. 90 1 90 here, and we will use subtraction. All you know, divide properly. And here 4. Okay. So how we will do this one? Now this is our A and this one our B, this one Q and this one R. Still remainder not equals to 0. Still remainder not equals to 0. So again we will write like that. 135 equals to A equals to BQ plus R. A is 135, B is 90 and quotient Q 1 here and remainder plus R, remainder 45. You have to focus on remainder. So still this one not coming 0. Remainder not coming 0. Okay, remainder not coming 0. So until remainder not come 0, again we will do same thing. So now we will do step 3. Step number 3. This is our equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. Okay. In this case, this one A, this one B, this one Q, and this one R. And this is our equation number 2. So you are looking that A equals to B into Q plus R. Still R not coming 0. So now I am going in step number 3. So what we will write here? Same we will write here. Remainder. What is remainder here? 45 not equals to 0. Or greater than 0 you can write. Or you can write like that also. 45 not equals to 0. Or you can write like that. But for whole question you have to do same thing. 45 not equals to 0. Okay. Until our remainder not come equals to 0, we will continue this procedure. So now what we will do? Applying Euclid division lamp. For now look here. Divisor is 90 and remainder is 45. So we have to choose these two numbers. 90 and Euclid division lamp to 90 and 45. Okay. So 45 is smaller than 90. 90 is greater than 45. 90 is greater than 45. Okay, 90 is greater than 45. Again, we have to do divide here. So, 90 divided by 45. Greater number you have to do divide by 45. Look, which one? Divisor and remainder. You have to take here. Divisor act as A and remainder act as B. Okay, 45 to the 90. 45 to the 90. So we will do subtraction and here you are getting 0. Now R equals to 0. R being 0. So again we will write this one as equation. So this is A. This one B, this one Q, and this one, here you are getting 0 and this is R. Okay, we will continue this procedure until we will not get 0 here. So what we will write here? 90 equals to when we are doing divide by 45, remainder coming 0. So 45 is our SCF. 45 is SCF. So how we will write? You get remainder coming 0, and when we are doing divide by 45, then remainder coming 0. That's why 45 is SCF. So you will write like that. HCF. You know, SCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor of, what's our number? 135 and 225. 135 and 225. These are two numbers and we have to find out SCF of. We will not write just like lower classes SCF of this one. You know, bracket means of. So SCF bracket 135 equals to 45. By this divisor you will get 0. That will be your SCF. Okay. So that's method for finding out SCF by Euclid division algorithm. Algorithm means well-defined steps of procedure to solve any particular type of question. So that's your method for finding out SCF of given numbers. Okay, now let's do next question. Second question. Actually, these questions from exercise 1.1. 1.1, exercise 1.1. Use Euclid division algorithm to find the SCF of. Now number is 196 and 196 and 382. Number is 196 and 38,220. Now second question, you have to find out SCF of 196 and 38,220 by Euclid division algorithm. So we have to first step number 1. 38,220 greater than 196. Okay, this one greater than this. So what we will do? Applying Euclid's division lamp to this number and this number, and 196. So I told you that greater we will take as A and this one as B. And just like this equation, we have to put their value here. Okay. So 38,220 divided by 196. Okay. 38,220 divided by 96. So first we will take 3 digits. So we will do divide here. Getting 1. 1 yeah, we are doing divide. So what we will get here? 196. 196 1 ja 196. Subtraction we will do 6 here and 8 here, 17 minus 9 8, and here 2 minus 1 1. So what left? 186. Okay. Until we will not do divide completely this whole number, we will not start step number 2. So we will not do here. And how many times we will do divide? You can read table of 18. So 9 ja 9 6 ja 54, 4 here, 5, 9 9 ja 81, and 5 6, and we have 8. 9 6 ja 54, 5 you have, 9 9 ja 81, and here you have 6 8. So 6 you return, 8 as a carry, 9 1 ja 9 plus 8 17. So this one being 1764. Again do subtraction. So 12 minus 4 8 here. Here 5 15 minus 6 9, and here 7, so 0. 98 coming. So you have one more digit 0. 0 you will write here. Again we will do divide. So how many times it will divide it? 5 ja. Let's check. 6 5 6 ja 30, 3 here, and 9 5 ja 45, 46 47 48, 4 you have, 5 1 ja 5 plus 4 9. Okay, we will do subtraction. So remainder coming 0. Remainder being 0 here. So in first step we are getting remainder 0. It means question completed. I told you we will do this procedure until we will not get remainder. So here remainder coming 0. So how we will write equation? This is A, this is B, this is Q, and here 0 remainder, so this is R. So how we will write equation? Equation is A equals to PQ plus R. So A is 38,220 equals to B 196 into Q 195 plus R. 196 D into Q. 195 plus R here 0. So in one step R coming 0. So what is our divisor? 196. That will be SCF of 38,220 and 196. So we will write HCF of 196. In your question 196 written first, so you will also write like that, and 38,220 equals to 196. Hope you are getting this one. Same way you have to solve some other question at home. I am providing you question. Third question from your book you will do just like this one, and example first also you will do like that one. One question I am giving you 105 and 120. SCF of 105 and 120 by Euclid division algorithm. You have to find out this one. Second is division. Okay. Second question. $963 and 657. So both question you have to solve, and third part from your book and one example in your book. These two also you have to solve. These all questions you have to do in your class work copy. Hope you all understand this one. Revise same thing at home. Have a nice day. Next day I will come with another topic. Till that time revise this one properly.